Good night, guys, or good morning, whatever it is. I know you guys made a lot of money last week with the market dumping the way it did. That's why I love playing the bear side way more than the bullish side, because it's just so much more fun and excitement. So hopefully you guys made a ton of money. Last week's video, if you guys watched it, definitely helped a lot. And just to show you guys exactly what happened, this is all time-stamped and proven of what we posted last week. So here we were saying, before it happened was here. Yesterday at 12:56 a.m., we said clear wave 5 down and an ABC up into this area at 400.475. And look at what happened after. It tagged little by little. Same exact chart yesterday at 12:56, timestamped 10:04 a.m. Then the next one was at 10:17 in the morning, where we tagged it, and now we're reacting. Now what happened next, I got you guys as well at 6 p.m. This was at 6 a.m. in Vietnam, so I wasn't awake yet, I think. But when I woke up, I posted it right away, like, look at that, and I swung puts. And from that level, same exact level as you can see, we reacted and a huge dump occurred. Obviously, the members are freaking happy as hell. Then we offered another suggestion and what we plan to play. So at 5:28 today, since today is Friday night, even though it's 9 a.m. in the morning here, we said look for a retracement here. It looks like it's a 1-2, 1-2 setting up for the largest move down. So we said watch the 0.5 and 0.61 fib retracement. Again, it tagged it to the T and it started reacting. And from there, we continued to dump. And now I am aiming for, as you can see here, this is what? 3965, because I remove it as we go. But as you can clearly see, it dumped afterwards. And now I am looking for it to continue lower. I am looking for ES. But again, let me show you guys again. I post my trades alert by alert, and I think there's multiple 100% within the past few days. I think everyone made money these 2-3 days. But if you didn't, again, make sure you're trading with the right team and the right tools. If you want to join us, just go to chancetrades.com here. You must join the Discord first, so click the join our Discord button. It will bring you to the Discord. After that, after you are in our Discord already, you can subscribe to a plan where you'll see my trades and my watch list every single day. And also make sure you're trading with the right tools with callsreports.com all the time. And the members vouch for it. I post videos on it. I'll show you guys in a bit. But in terms of the market, again, I think we get the 1-2, 1-2 setting up for the wave 3 next. So I'm going to clear out the chart now so that we could prepare for the next week. If we are just talking in terms of the fib ratios, what I will be looking at would probably be this. And yes, I know there's an easier way to clear everything out. I just don't want to remove that because I want it to stay there. There should be like a multiple removal tool. I mean, there is an eraser and you just keep clicking it, but it's the same thing as what I'm doing currently. So with that being said, if this is clearly a 1-2, wave 3 should technically hit the 1.61 extension of here, which you see this is the 1 extension. So the 1.61 will be literally at our level that we drew already, which is liquidity and also a demand zone. So this is going to be the level that I am watching for to get out of my current puts. Remember, again, we traded this multiple times. As you can see here, there were multiple 155%, 300%. The other day I made 1,600. This was actually before I'm not sure if I posted it yet, but I actually made 1,700 today, 400% for the lotto. So again, if you guys want to join us, just check out chancetrades.com. And this is why I say like trade with the right tools, because I think within our winning trades, our members posted it. You get a $4,000 day here. This is me, 1,500, Tornado 1,500, F62. Doesn't show the exact amount because it's Robinhood, but Booger, 3,500%, $450 fire. Me again, $1,700, $18,000, 700%, and $2,000. Calls or puts does it again. Caught the bottom early and the top coming down. And our members speak for it, like time and time again. Not even Steve. We got Chopper. We got Holy Diver. Much thanks. Let me see where was it? Calls or puts. I hate how laggy the computer is. Yesterday at 10 a.m., SPY golden put calling the top. And again, I say calls or puts calls the top once again. And here you get some, some comedy. If cops had a hole, I would the shit out of it. And everyone's happy. I know a lot of you guys probably made money. But with each trade that we are profitable, we size down to make sure we don't give it back. Although the setup does look great, and I think we are far from a bottom if this is the first leg down. If I was just to be complicated, we broke this level. And remember last week's video, we talked about this. A lot of people saw it as a retest of this trend line, but it also was a retest of this breakdown that we had. So as you can see here, that was a retest, and when that gave up and when it didn't happen, it gave us a sign to go short. And you like this bar right here, volume here. I don't like the fact that the Stokes might start to flash a buy signal soon, but again, a lot of people saw this as a retest, but it wasn't. It was a breakdown, and then we retested the breakdown and continued downwards. So this is definitely a trend line to just keep in mind. In terms of where we could short, again, there is a bearish order block here. So this could be a potential short again. I don't think we get up there with all of the news we have currently. And actually it retested that. So this might not be valid anymore. The only level then I would say that we have a bearish order block is here, but it's a pretty wide range. So with that being said, I will look for liquidity within this level and see if there's an equal high here. There is an equal high here. Yeah, this might actually be the level that I'll be looking for. What's the high of this candle? 392225. 392225. So this might be where I watch for a short. Not going to be exactly where I go in a short, but again, this still looks bear flaggy as well. I don't really like trading patterns because I don't believe in them. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think we tag this level and continue dumping into our level right here. We are going to have some volatile future sessions just because everyone is going to be trading it. So I do think this is what is going to happen for next week. And I think that's it. I wish you guys good luck. In terms of VIX, there's a huge spike, which I don't really like because with a 10% spike in VIX, I would actually assume that we would have been a lot further down than what we actually got. So trend line to keep in mind and trend line over here to keep in mind. As of right now, we're just in no man's land right in the center. So that's why I say size down and continue to trade. Good luck, guys. Again, callsorputs.com. Trade with the right tool. I urge you guys all the time, stop being cheap on yourself if you want to improve. Trade with the right team, which is us, if you want. The members, again, speak for itself. And I love the fact that everyone actually works together here. As you can see throughout the whole day, it's just education and charts being posted. So come join us if you want, and I'll see you guys later. Have a great weekend. Bye.